Come with me on a half-day adventure down to the Meatpacking district in Manhattan. We'll walk the Highline, grab lunch at Chelsea Market, and see the views of the little island. It was quite cold today, so I'm all bundled up and headed to the subway. There are a few daffodils popping their heads up to say hello on this sunny afternoon. Our first stop is the Highline. The Highline is a strip of abandoned above-the-ground railroad tracks that has been turned into a walking path through the Meatpacking district. The walkway and buildings around have a spark of artistic beauty with a variety of different styles and pieces in any direction you look. The Highline is a must-do in Manhattan. I recommend going early before the crowds get there. It only takes about 30 minutes to walk the line, but you should budget for an hour or so if you plan to stop and enjoy the art along the way. It's currently March, so all the plants are just now starting to bloom. I can't wait until there's a smorgasbord of colors. My next stop was Chelsea Market. If you walk south on the Highline, you'll get off right at Chelsea Market entrance. This zone has a large amount of indoor stores and restaurants. A great place to grab lunch or dinner. The marketplace also has a very artistic aspect with some interesting work like this water pipe. After a bit of exploring, I was off again, this time to Little Island. This is a newly built area and was definitely an interesting stop. It is a hangout location with multi-tiered viewpoints and a variety of seats. There is a playground at the entrance, and a decent amount of families and their children were around. They had a few spinny wheels, like this one, and was a little bit silly. The area had a really nice view of the financial district downtown. I got a selfie and then walked under this archway to the subway to head home. I ended up hopping off at 59th Street in Columbus, though, to walk through Central Park. It was a really nice day outside, and there was a lot of people enjoying the weather. There's a 6-mile bike loop that wraps around the park where most people walk. I've biked it before and hope to do so again when it gets warmer. This time, though, I peeled off the paved path and took a more naturey direction home. There are a lot of these fun spin-off areas where you forget that you're in the middle of a city for a while. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow and subscribe for more travel tips, activities to do, and places to visit.